Hello and welcome to the next lecture. So today we have again logs, and this example will show you how you can redirect the logs and any information to the Sentry. And so the Sentry, you can look it up, is really distributed. It can be remote or like independent, let's say, logging software. So when you create it. So when you create it, it's free for developers. So have a look, and you don't need to set up a Docker on premise if you need to. So when you start up, you can select a developer package, and it will. So you can select a Java or whatever you like. Just click on the Java here when you open up your first initial setup. And this will give you some of the information that you can use. We don't need any of this except for this line that's in red, in yellow. We'll come back to it in a few seconds. So let's say that you set it up, clicked on this Java button here, clicked on the project created, and yeah, so keep this or copy over this HTTPS link if you need to. So yeah, let's go to our terminal. I have here a small setup. So we have a Maven plugin Techno Sentry, and the one extension that we have is logging Sentry. So let's create a project and open it up in IntelliJ IDEA as well. So while it's opening, I have here a few information that you can use. So you can of course add the dependency as well, or using the Quarkus add extension plugin or a command, and then you can have a properties as well. We'll use one of them right now. So as always, POM.xml is empty, nothing more than this one extension. In source, we can go to the resources and let's open up application properties, right? I'll copy it over, and now you will see for what we'll need this link. So we have Quarkus log Sentry true, so we'll enable it. And then the Sentry DNS, this is exactly this link that will be provided for you in a settings. If you're opening it as a first time, should be as well in the settings. You can go to the settings and have the same link somewhere. I'm not sure where though. So yeah, so copy over this line here with the HTTPS. So yeah, you'll see it in under the main or in this Sentry init, whatever you like. So let's go to here, and then this line will specify which packages you want to capture. In our case, we'll capture everything, right? So let's create one class tech now. Let's say hello resource, right? And we'll have a path, of course, as always, hello or greeting or whatever, and get public string hello, nothing here special. So we'll create a new logger, public static. So we have logger, which will be JBoss log manager logger equals logger get logger, and then hello resource class get simple name, default logger structure. So now let's call this logger. Let's put the info executing hello info hello method, right? Then we'll have the same logger, let's say error, or logger, what we can send here, so let's use a warning here, executing hello with warning or something like this, and then just return hello, right? So everything is set up. Let's try to call the terminal here. Let's open up our Sentry folder, Sentry, and let's call maybe Quarkus dev, like this. Nothing more needs to be set up. That's it. So you need to specify the link, and of course you need to have the project set it up in our Sentry cloud, right? So let's open up a Postman, and let's call this hello endpoint that we have. like hello. So this will return hello, of course, and you see, of course, here the information, but moreover, we can go to our dashboard, and I think, yeah, so executing hello with warning, as you can see. So this captured our warning, and you can see some of the information as well. So there is like a name of the SDK, thread ID, and so whatever it could capture, it captured. So there is also issue tracing that you can use, and like some more information. We don't have much here, but that's not the point of. So yeah, you can also click like, you know, the this is like more of a issue tracking. So if you have a warning, you can have the issue. So if you send a warning or error or fatal, this will open up an issue and you can like close it or not, you know. All right, now you know how to use Sentry. It's actually quite popular library that you can use, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.